Good morning, attention, activating compensing teletext properly. My name is Juan Andrés González, tutor Juan Miguel Olave. Group Tunde 2031 underscore 38. Concept mark group 38. Problem the shows. Which is the shortest was extensive processing time. It can be defined as it has more frequently nights in the one to register 30 in tubes properly. Consequences: less loose indices, the volume, another is in the long production while the causes under dash overman causes leases for capacities and the learning in the day if it of technology as innovation. Recommendations of the statistics and the task are times in the causes and the to such purpose chosen above. Last infos the information of the marketing as the commercial is the task application can be devices tasks are in simplest and the tools elaborates and the task achievers are in simplest the causes performance so as being able to calculate as the polynomial easily and the simple including and it is the averaging of the binding at the blind manager and completing information system in an agile and removed what is caused and the manager as the top B as term of its emergence. Technologies in the tool provided as keys of the duties structures and the text development and usage of the application in the problem they can be solved. So the best approaches those used in not only these companies enjoy strategies and implements in the digital technologies and thirst processes in the boost and the first and the correct articulating. They see effort and scoring the production task using HISIS as the task and the costs according to their utility and the marketing values so the task they are more sensible to smart and the medium sensible companies.